Like a flower in the morning light, we rise with hearts so pure and bright, soft as petals kissed by dew. Let love awaken all we do.
May our words be warm and kind, healing every troubled mind, like sweet fragrance in the air, spreading love and gentle care.
For fragile hearts are just the same, touched by joy or touched by pain. Harsh winds leave their silent mark, shadows falling on the heart.
Teach us, Lord, to softly be full of grace and empathy, patient as the petals stay, blooming through each passing day.
Let all anger break our peace, let all hurt and sorrow cease.